How to remove highlight on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to remove highlights on Facebook. So let's get started. First, just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into account. Now simply head over to your profile section by simply tapping on this profile icon at the top left corner, and once you're inside here you should see the option that is your highlights right under your about info. So as you can see, there are two different highlights files for my Facebook account. So if I were to simply remove this particular highlights by heading over to this highlight section called motivation. So let's say I want to remove this photo from over here, that is this highlight. So I'll simply click on this three dot icon at the top right corner and just click on this delete highlight to actually delete it from this highlight. But if I were to delete this whole highlight folder from over here, what I will doing is simply long press on it and just click on this delete highlight button from over here to successfully delete that particular highlight. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.